How to export video from CapCut Mobile to Gallery. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Create a new project. Select the video and tap on Add button. Once your project is opened, look at the very top of your screen in the top right corner. You'll see a small button AI Ultra HD. Tap on it. A menu will pop up with your export settings. You can change the resolution from 1080p to 2K or 4K. However, the higher resolution requires more storage. You can also adjust the frame rate to make your video look smoother. Make all the adjustments for other features. Once done, tap on the export icon in the top right corner of the screen. CapCut will now begin the export process. Once the export is complete, a pop-up will appear saying Save to Device. Now go to your phone's Photos app or Gallery. Your newly exported video will be the most recent item in your photo album. Let's see the preview. So that's how you can export video from CapCut Mobile to Gallery. Thanks for watching.